Now that I've got my Beaver lesson together, I'm going to add some content. The first content creator that we're going to look at is the slide editor. Inside the slide editor, I can add text, video, or image to a slide. Each of these different options can be uploaded through Google Drive, a variety of other platforms, or you can drop any files from your own computer directly there. The other great feature is that they're integrated with Google. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to look for an image of a beaver. Once I've selected my image, I click Save. The image is then added to my slide, where I can move it to where I want, or even zoom it in. At the top, I can add my title. Once I'm done, I can save. You can also change the layout, add audio, and of course, preview so that you can see what it looks like. Now that I've got my beaver slide in, let me show you the regular slide. As you can see here, there's less features inside this. So if you want to make something quick and easy, this will work. If I didn't want to do text, I could do image. And as you look through the images, you may change your mind and look for different things as you go. As you can see here, it's given my slide a background. If I didn't have the text, then this would be the only thing on the slide. I also have the option to add audio here as well. When you look for audio, that does have to come from your computer or one of your drives. Now that I've got two slides on there, I'd like to add a 3D model. These 3D models are being added to all the time, so be sure to check back if you don't find what you're looking for. Nearpod's very open to feedback, so send them a quick email and they might be able to help. Let's see if we've got one on beavers. It doesn't look like I'm seeing anything on beavers in particular. But let's just say, for the sake of today, that I wanted them to look at another animal that lives in the water. We're going to go with a turtle. I can preview my turtle and see what it'll look like for my students. They can rotate this on whatever device they're on and see all around the 3D image, looking for details or whatever it is you need them to do. Once I'm done, it adds it. I could also add a sway. There may be a pre-built sway, or I could always create a new sway, or check out my own sways if I sign into my Office 365 account. So let me look through the animals. I can preview any of these sways and see all the different information that's inside, and add the sway. The next feature is a virtual field trip. Let's say that I want to search for a forest. I've got a couple different options here. So let's say I wanted my students to see the Santa Fe National Forest. Let me make sure that looks good with the preview button. This is a 360 image that students can look around on any device. If they're on a mobile device, they can look through Google Cardboard. On their iPad, they can use your finger to swivel around, or actually move the iPad with the image, or if they're on a laptop or computer, they just click and drag. These next few features are pretty basic. Your slideshow, that's going to come from your own documents that you might have. Say you've put together a PowerPoint or a PDF of different images or individual images themselves. You can create a slideshow that students can move through at their own pace. You can also add a video. You can look for those on YouTube or add them from your own computer. I could also add audio, a PDF viewer, or a live Twitter stream. That does it for our adding content section.